When people think of dangerous animals, their minds often jump to sharks, lions, or crocodiles. But the deadliest creature on Earth is something far smaller and far more overlooked. The mosquito is responsible for more human deaths each year than any other animal on the planet. Through the transmission of diseases like malaria, dengue fever, yellow fever, and the Zika virus, mosquitoes claim the lives of over 1 million people annually. These tiny insects thrive on every continent except Antarctica, making them a truly global threat. Their ability to carry and spread pathogens from host to host makes them an unmatched biological weapon in the natural world. No predator, no matter how powerful, comes close to matching the mosquito's deadly efficiency. Moving from the skies to the ocean, the box jellyfish earns its place as one of the most venomous creatures ever discovered. Found primarily in the coastal waters of the Indo-Pacific region and northern Australia, this nearly transparent creature carries enough venom in its tentacles to kill a human being within minutes. The venom attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin cells simultaneously, causing excruciating pain and, in severe cases, cardiac arrest before a victim can even reach shore. What makes the box jellyfish particularly terrifying is its near invisibility in the water, giving swimmers almost no warning before contact occurs. Dozens of deaths are attributed to this creature each year, and many more encounters go unreported. Few animals on Earth command as much primal fear as the saltwater crocodile. As the largest living reptile in the world, it can grow up to 6 meters in length and weigh over 1,000 kilograms. Found across Southeast Asia, northern Australia, and parts of the Pacific, these prehistoric predators are responsible for hundreds of attacks on humans each year, many of them fatal. Their bite force is the strongest of any animal ever measured, capable of exerting over 16,000 newtons of pressure. Saltwater crocodiles are ambush hunters, lurking just beneath the surface before launching explosive attacks on unsuspecting prey. Their patience, power, and territorial aggression make them one of the most formidable animals alive today. Africa is home to some of the most dangerous land animals on Earth, and the Cape buffalo stands among the most feared. Known as the Black Death by hunters, this massive bovine is responsible for killing an estimated 200 people per year across Africa. Unlike many animals that flee from threats, Cape buffaloes are known to charge without provocation, and they have been documented circling back to attack hunters who have wounded them. Sharing the African continent is the African elephant, the largest land animal on Earth. Despite their gentle reputation, elephants kill around 500 people annually, often when they feel threatened or when young males enter a state of heightened aggression known as musth. Both animals demonstrate that size and raw power remain formidable forces in nature. The hippopotamus may appear slow and docile, but it is widely regarded as one of the most aggressive and dangerous animals in Africa. Responsible for an estimated 500 deaths per year, hippos are highly territorial and unpredictable. Their massive jaws can open to nearly 180 degrees and deliver a bite force, capable of snapping a small boat in half. They are also surprisingly fast on land, reaching speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour. Sharing the African savanna is the lion, the apex predator of the grasslands. Lions are responsible for around 200 human deaths annually, primarily in sub-Saharan Africa. While they generally avoid humans, habitat loss and prey scarcity increasingly push lions into contact with rural communities, making encounters more frequent and more deadly. Some of the world's most dangerous animals are deceptively small. The cone snail, found in tropical and subtropical oceans, carries a venom so potent that there is currently no anti-venom available. A single sting can deliver enough toxin to kill 20 adult humans, and the snail's harpoon-like tooth can penetrate through gloves and wetsuits. Equally dangerous in the ocean is the pufferfish, which contains tetrodotoxin, a poison up to 1,200 times more deadly than cyanide. Mishandled or improperly prepared, A single pufferfish carries enough toxin to kill 30 adult humans. On land, the inland taipan of Australia holds the title of the world's most venomous snake. A single bite contains enough venom to kill 100 adult humans. Though its reclusive nature means human fatalities are extremely rare, no list of dangerous animals would feel complete without the great white shark. As the largest predatory fish on Earth, reaching lengths of up to 6 meters and weighing over 2,000 kilograms, the great white inspires a level of fear that few other creatures can match. While shark attacks on humans are statistically rare, with around 80 unprovoked attacks recorded globally each year, the great white is responsible for the highest number of fatal incidents among all shark species. Their rows of serrated teeth, extraordinary sensory systems, and explosive bursts of speed make them extraordinarily effective hunters. Media portrayals have amplified their fearsome reputation, but the reality is that humans pose a far greater threat to sharks than sharks do to humans. What this list ultimately reveals is not just the raw power and danger that exists in the natural world, but the extraordinary diversity of ways in which animals have evolved to survive and defend themselves. From microscopic pathogens carried by mosquitoes to the bone-crushing jaws of saltwater crocodiles, nature has engineered danger in countless forms. Understanding these animals, their behaviors, and their habitats is not a reason to fear the natural world, but rather a reason to respect it deeply. Human encroachment into wild spaces continues to increase the frequency of dangerous encounters, reminding us that coexistence requires awareness, caution, and a genuine appreciation for the creatures that share this planet with us.